Hi there! Welcome to Docentes Digitalis TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're exploring a fascinating and essential topic for English learners: international accents. English is spoken all around the world, and each region brings its own unique accent, rhythm, and style. Whether it's British, American, Australian, or even non-native English accents, understanding a variety of accents will help you communicate confidently in any situation. By the end of this video, you'll have tips to improve your listening skills and understand English, no matter who's speaking. Let's get started. Step 1. Why learn different accents? English is a global language, so you'll encounter many accents in everyday life, at work, or while traveling. By familiarizing yourself with different varieties, you'll be able to adapt quickly and avoid misunderstandings. Plus, it's a great way to learn new vocabulary and cultural expressions. Step 2. Focus on common accents. Here are 3 major accents to start with. American English, known for its clear enunciation and rhotic R sounds. Example: water. British English, often non-rhotic, with softer R sounds and unique vocabulary. Example: bottle of water. Australian English, known for its nasal tone and informal slang. Example: how's it going, mate? Listening to these accents will help you notice the differences in pronunciation and tone. Step 3. How to practice listening. Watch international content, American movies, TV shows like Friends or The Office. British series like Sherlock or The Crown. Australian shows like Bluey or Neighbours. Use podcasts and YouTube. Find podcasts or YouTube channels with speakers from different regions. Listening to real conversations will help you understand natural accents. Practice shadowing. Listen to a sentence, then repeat it, mimicking the accent as closely as possible. For example, practice saying, "How are you?" with an American, British, and Australian tone. Step 4. Don't forget non-native accents. English is also spoken by millions of non-native speakers. Listen to speakers from countries like India, Nigeria, or the Philippines to get used to their unique styles. This will help you communicate in truly global contexts. Step 5. Be patient and stay consistent. Understanding accents takes time, but the more you expose yourself to different varieties, the more natural it will feel. Quick recap. Learn accents like American, British, and Australian to start. Watch movies, shows, and podcasts from different regions to practice. Use shadowing to mimic accents and improve pronunciation. Listen to non-native accents to prepare for global conversations. Be patient and keep practicing to build your confidence. Mastering international accents is a valuable skill that will open doors to better communication and deeper connections with people from all over the world. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel in any conversation. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitalis TV for more practical and exciting English lessons like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.